Let's learn colors with our fun 3D friends. Are you ready? Let's go! Here comes red. Look at that shiny red apple. R-E-D. Red. Red is bright and full of energy. Bounce, bounce. It's orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange is so much fun. Say hello to yellow, the smiling sun. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow is bright like the sunshine. Here comes green, the cool leaf. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green is calm like the trees. Blue is soft and sleepy. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue feels like bedtime. Look, it's Purple the octopus. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Purple is magical and deep. Brown is cuddly like a teddy bear. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Brown is warm and friendly. Vroom. Here comes black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black is bold and fast. White is fluffy like a cloud. W-H-I-T-E. White. White is soft and bright. Yummy! It's Pink the cupcake. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink is sweet and fun. Great job! You learned 10 amazing colors today. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black, white, and pink. Yay! Thanks for watching. See you next time on Fun for Kids Academy.